buddy.
Good morning, my friend.
How are you? Hello, everyone.
I'm great.
How are you? So today we'll talk about long-term plans. Is it still feasible to think about, kasi pandemic ngayon, parin Joel?
So, medyo we're going back to normal. Still, long-term commitments such as buying a house or a car must be decided in a very practical way.
Yeah, for example, when buying a car, you have to think of practical things like matipid ba sa gas?
Yan.
Malagkas ngayon eh. What are the features that can be practical for daily driving? Mababa ba yung down payment? Mga ganon. You almost never consider kung maganda ba siya tingnan.
Yes, I agree. But thankfully, there's one car out there that's very practical but also very stylish. It's the all-new Nissan Almera. It comes with a decent 5-year warranty na rin.
Wow.
So besides answering the question, will this be a practical buy in the long run? It also gives you the peace of mind
Pare ha?
that they've got you covered with a warranty for 5 years.
Kayang-kaya ng kahit mag-brown out pa, di ba? Are, no?
Man, oh. Patayo pa yun. Yan.
That makes it a really practical choice for a long-term purchase, and the fact that it looks very stylish is a great plus.
Exactly, paring Melo. A stylish exterior packed with practical features such as a fuel-efficient turbocharged engine that can go 23.3 kilometers per liter, an intelligent around-view monitor that provides a 360-degree view of your surroundings. Yan, no? Kita mo yan, around-view
Kita mo yan.
monitor yan, pare, ha?
Yan, oh.
Kita pa rin, ha?
Gandang-ganda.
So you can always be guaranteed of an added layer of safety. Plus, twice a year periodic maintenance service. All of that for a low down payment of only 38,000 pesos.
38,000 pesos?
Yes.
Wow. Now, that's a great guarantee of practicality.
I agree, paring Melo. So, to all our listeners out there, if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check out the all-new Nissan Almera, the incredibly practical yet stylish car.
Visit Nissan.ph for more details. Promo runs from May 1 to May 31 per DTI Fairtrade permit number FTEB 142372 series of 2022.
Now, back to regular programming.
And now is...
Oras o Jat!
Hoy, mga kapuso, ayan na. 6:57 in the morning. Okay na, ha?
TV pa.
Courtesy na, ha?
Discipline pa.
Okay, wala na. Okay na uli. Oh.
Ayan.
Thanks, Meralco. Good morning, buddy.
Good morning, my friend.
With things going back to normal, there's one thing that we all dread. That's already starting to come back. Heavy traffic, pare Joel.
Nako, sinabi mo pa.
Nako.
Grabe traffic when I was on my way here to the station.
Traffic's getting worse, and so is the price of fuel. But thankfully, we might have a solution for that.
For the traffic?
No fuel situation, because there's a car out there that looks very sporty and stylish on the outside, but actually has a lot of practical features in store. The all-new Nissan Almera. Its fuel-efficient engine can go up to 23.3 kilometers per liter, and that's a turbocharged engine. It's powerful yet fuel-efficient, so your liter of gas will definitely go a long way. Parin Joel.
Wow, that'll surely make an
Imagine.
impact on your fuel budget. So, what are the other features?
There are more practical features such as the convenient driving technology of the intelligent around view monitor for added safety, 5-year Nissan warranty, twice a year periodic maintenance service, and a low down payment of just
How much?
38,000 pesos.
Wow, great practical features packaged in the stylish exterior. Sounds too perfect.
Well, it might be just that. It's perfectly practical. So, to all our listeners out there, if you're out the all-new Nissan Almera, the incredibly practical yet stylish car.
Visit Nissan.ph for more details. Prom runs from May 1 to May 31 per DTI Fairtrade permit number DEB 142372 series of 2022.
Mike, are you okay? Okay. Approve. Okay. Our time now is 1 minute after 7 o'clock in the morning. Radio na,
TV pa,
courtesy na.
discipline pa.
So to all our listeners out there, if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check out the all-new Almera, Nissan Almera, the incredibly practical yet stylish car.
Visit Nissan.ph for more details. Promo runs from May 1 to May 31 per DTI Fairtrade permit number FTEB 142372 series of 2022.
Okay, oras. Tagalog na tayo. Alas 6:57 na po ng umaga. Radyo na!
TV pa!
Kortesiya na!
Disiplina pa!
There,
Good
how
morning,
are you,
my friend.
people of the Philippines? How are you, buddy?
Hello there.
Good
morning.
Ito, today. Ngayong araw na ito, today. Ayan, we're here to challenge your standards of practicality.
That's right. We're here to talk about why the all-new Nissan Almera is the practical car for daily driving.
One example of that is its practicality in traffic situations. Grabe pa rin, Joel, ang traffic talaga. Especially here in Metro Manila, because... Oh, Meralco, how are you? There you go again. Because it isn't just heavy, it's also a bit scary. There are so many things you gotta watch out for.
Yes, I know what you mean. Ganyan talaga pag driving dito sa Manila pare ha.
Including the power outage.
Yes, kakaiba at nakakakaba. You always have to constantly look around because you'll never know what danger lurks in every corner. Motorcycles creeping up, objects hidden when backing out of a parking spot, a speeding car passing by your blind side.
But with the new Almera's Nissan Intelligent Mobility, you can be sure that safety is on your side in those kind of situations. For one, the Intelligent Around View Monitor gives you a 360-degree bird's eye view of your surroundings. So you don't have to constantly look around. Talagang high-tech, ha? It also showing objects around the vehicle and warns the driver to support safe maneuvers when parking or departing from the parking space. The monitor also shows you improved visuals when it's dark out.
Wow.
And all these safety features, plus a fuel-efficient turbocharged 23.3 kilometers
Matipid.
per liter. Talagang per 23.3 kilometers per
liter.
Imagine talaga naman. Twice a year periodic maintenance service, a 5-year warranty, all of that for a low down payment of
Magkano? How much?
Would you believe 38,000 pesos only?
Unbelievable. Yeah. Those are great features, and not to mention, I like the new stylish and sporty look.
Yep. Yep. Some cars are either all about style or practicality, but not the Almera. It has both.
So to all our listeners out there, if you're in the market for a new car, be sure to check out the all-new Nissan Almera, the incredibly practical yet stylish car. Visit Nissan. Visit Nissan.ph for more details. Promo runs from May 1 to May 31 per DTI Fair Trade Permit number FTEB 142372, series of 2020.
Sorry. My bad. Time now is 6:59 in the morning. Radyo na.
Radio na TV pa.
Courtesy na.
Discipline pa.